Good morning, sir. As we discussed on the last scenario about Bank Nifty, so what actually happened? Market did not sustain above the 32,750 level, and it is happening because of that. It was the earlier all-time high. So it is a earlier all-time high. So lot of profit booking happening at that level. So similarly, market two times reversed from there, as you can see on the picture. First time here, second time here, third time again it came down. Now the again important part in market, as I told yesterday, that market may fill this gap if like expiry moves were there, but after coming down and reversing from a resistance, market now going towards the demand zone. As you can clearly see on the picture, this 31,700 to 800 level, earlier two or three times market has rebounded from this level. If you will see, this is a clear demand zone. So now any dip toward this level or at current market price like 31,700 to 900, this is the accumulation zone. For my point of view, I shall go long at current levels. Like I'll wait for some 100 or 200 point dips more. Near 31,700, I'll simply go long with 3,500 this one. This will be my SL. Below this, if market sustains, I'll exit my longs and I'll play for that again 32,700 probably, which will be the target. So simply at this green zone which I have mentioned here, this is a perfect level for being long. As you can see earlier also, market rebounded from here, then gap up opening. See, market tried to close below it, but again it rebounded, it gapped up open. After that, market went up on higher side, again it came down. Here again it took support. I'll mark out the point. See here, this was the second time. First time, see, it tried to close here below this one, but see what happened. Buyers pull the price up with the help of a gap up. And now see afterwards, on the third time again, see what happened. A severe sell-off is being exhausted and again a gap up opening from this level. So clearly it shows that 31,700 is a strong support. So 31,500 to 800 put writers were active. Now market is again coming to the demand zone. So what I feel, this will be a good point for going long. I'll put my SLS 31,500 on closing basis in Bank Nifty. Okay, so I'll wait for my levels and once that executed, I'll take a long. Whereas in Nifty, if you'll see, in Nifty has having a choppy pattern. Okay, but in intraday 5 minute chart, I'll show you. In 5 minute, market has made a kind of double bottom. If you'll see, so if this double bottom, you can see 517. This one from 2 days, market is taking support here. This one, as you can see, it is a clear double bottom on 5 minutes. If market is like supporting this level and is this double bottom of 517 520 is safe, then we can say a bounce back in Nifty. We can simply see again those levels. This one, 14,700 800. Nothing happened, it's just a gap up opening yesterday. After that gap up opening, profit booking came, market came down. So simple, if you will see, yet I don't think it is a reversal. I'm expecting 15,050 level in market. See, in 1 hour chart, it is clearly visible that some buyer is sitting here. Okay, so any dip toward 520 is a clear buy. Okay, so what I feel, I simply feel that market again will chase that recent high 757 760. My probable target of Nifty will be 15,050. Okay, that can be achieved before budget or on the budget. After budget, my view will be changed. Some of the picks which I'll tell you in the this one. In intraday, there is in 30-minute chart, if you'll see, Titan. One of my pick, Titan, I will be using long. Why? Titan has made a master candle. This one. If you will see, this is the master candle of 30 minutes. This is a very like intraday, very good pattern for trading. This is master candle. This one. Low is 1518, high is 1535. Now Titan is trading in this range. So any breakout or breakdown, it will give a fierce move. So what I am expecting, it will give a breakout above 1535, and again we can expect same yesterday level 1550 somewhere. Okay, so simply churning, for churning purpose, we can go long in Titan. Another stock is Balkrishna, which I am expecting a like big move. I am expecting in this script. About big move means it probably 100 to 200 points I am expecting. Actually, what happening right now? It is taking resistance and trend line. In fact, it is also making same pattern of master candle. This is my favorite pattern for trading in intraday. Whenever these patterns high or low will get break, usually stock will go fierce move. If you can see this one again, see. Balkrishna today having open low same, that is 17 in this candle. Open low is same 17 not 9.10, 17 not 9.10. So now after that it made a high of 1749. So what is happening? It is trading inside this range. Upper range is 1749, below range is 1709. Usually this stock is bullish because yesterday it traded with very good volume. See here, plenty of accumulation had happened here and here. Okay, so good volumes came up. So what I feel, anytime this line get breaked out, means above 750, this stock will go. Simply you can expect 1800 levels, 1800 to 1850 levels. So that's what I am expecting right now. Okay, sir, for today, this much only. Before taking any trade, please consult your financial advisor. Thank you.